All right, here goes the live aluminum Chinese diesel heater fitment testing. Ooh, I can't change the camera around from here. It's kind of annoying. I thought I could just hit a button and go from selfie view to out the front view, but that's all right. I'll just move this little box here so I can see down in my engine compartment, which is where the little piece goes. And here's my piece right here. So beautiful. This is my $270. What? You can't tell if that's Star Wars, Starship Cruiser? You don't know what that is. Hopefully, it's a finely tuned, perfectly fit piece of machinery that goes right in here. Let's see. See how good my measuring did. Ooh, not too shabby. That's right where it's gonna go. That piece gonna match up with that. And there'll be a bolt in there. I can't even see if that's visible from there. And I might have to turn around and do a separate shot with the flash video. Here's from the top. Ooh, nice. All right, I'll take a flash video and send it separately.